Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your orders and active trades in MetaTrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see trade option at bottom. Once you tap over there, you will be redirected to your another section where you can check your balance, your equity, margin, and so on. And just down below it, you'll be able to see the position section where I have already taken 3 trades, which is first one is AUD CAD, second one is USD CAD, and another is USD JPY. So basically in this section you can check your orders and active trades actually. And yeah, this is how you can check your orders and active trades in MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.